Till my blood runs dry, I've been riding high.
One of the taxi drivers in the street actually complained to me that we're driving with the bicycles and I'm filming.
Really?
So, yeah. But it's okay.
I'm wearing skirts, Stefan's wearing shorts, so I guess we're not wanted in there. Stefan, you're not decently dressed for church.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for being an offense.
Yes. Because we ate so healthily yesterday, not so much yesterday evening, but anyway, we thought we'd get some churros for breakfast today. I think that's a great idea because I love churros. I haven't had them in so long, and our guide from the other tour, she told us where to go, and that's where we're heading. I love this.
Right in.
Yes.
I'm so excited.
Happy? That you?
Happy and sick.
We couldn't even finish. There's so much.
So the Mademoiselle is relaxing after a very tiring shopping trip. Could you explain to the audience where we are?
We're in Parque del Retiro. It's very difficult to say. Retiro. Yeah. And that's it. We're leaving Madrid.
That's it. Madrid is over. You know what? I'm actually looking forward to Valencia.
Ah.
It's our home now. Today we've got family over, so we're going to show them some of the buildings here in the science park, in the Turia Park it's called. And after that we're going to go on a boat cruise around the shore here to see the sunset. Mademoiselle, excited about the boat cruise?
Yes.
Very well. Looks like a combination of a space museum and a comic. Can we rent one of those balls over there?
I would like to do it.
I want to see you swim in there. Seriously.
I only see children do it though.
You are a child.
I am.
Yes.
I should do it.
Let's go. If you ever make it to Valencia, you have to see the Ciudad de las Artes y Ciencias. It's so beautiful. It's like a mixture of a space museum and a comic book shop, and it's just crazy. You have to see it. Highly recommended.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to be informed about our next videos. If you liked the video, if you enjoyed the video,
Right now we've got family over.